Think AI automation is expensive, but it's really not. A free AI tool helped me automate 80% of the $2,500 income.
I showed you all, and it only took me about 5 minutes to set up. Let me show you how simple this is. Hey y'all, welcome back to Life by Sharon B. Today I'm breaking down the exact automation I use that saves me hours every single week. This is beginner friendly, it's free, and honestly, once you set this up, you're gonna wonder why you didn't do it sooner.
Setup handles my brand inquiries, sends replies, and organizes everything for me without me doing anything.
So first, go to make.com and create a free account. Once you're inside, click Create a New Scenario. This is just what they call an automation. My trigger is a Google form. Whenever a brand fills out my form, make.com instantly starts working. Next, I add the OpenAI module, that's ChatGPT. Make sends the form info straight to ChatGPT, and it writes the email for me. Then I add Gmail. Make takes the email ChatGPT wrote and sends it out. No typing, no copy-paste. Every brand that reaches out gets added to my spreadsheet automatically with the date and details. And that's how 80% of that $2,500 income gets handled automatically. It runs in the background while I'm working or living life. If you want to save time and keep your systems running smoother, try this automation today. Set up one promptee, just one paid, and let me know in the comments when yours runs for the first time. If you want to streamline your workflow and save more time, set up this automation and try it out for yourself. And once you set yours up, come back and drop a comment letting me know how it worked for you. And if you want more automation tools or content tips, make sure you're subscribed, and I have more videos coming.